Let's make the best garlic butter of your life. We've got green seasoning, minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of green seasoning, handful of green shallots, handful of chili, as much as you want. Sprinkle some dried parsley, garlic, onion granules, mix that together. Oof. Leave that for 5-10 minutes. Then you end up with perfection. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got flavour on a spoon. Spread that on your toast, spread that on your ciabatta, spread that on your thins, spread out on everything.